हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गेट टू नो विद सोनाली। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज के ऊपर ही एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था। उसी सीरीज को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज हम एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं सॉल्व। तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन कहता है 0.87 इंटू 0.87 इंटू 0.87 प्लस 0.13 इंटू 0.13 इंटू 0.13 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.87 इंटू 0.87 माइनस 0.87 इंटू 0.13 प्लस 0.13 इंटू 0.13। अब इस क्वेश्चन को देखकर आप इसको पूरा सॉल्व मत करने लग जाइए कि आप पूरा मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, फिर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ऐड कर रहे हैं। नो, वी हैव टू यूज algebraic identity here. Now see how. 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 is 0.87 cube. So 0.87 cube, right? Then we have plus here. तो इसको ऐसे ही प्लस को प्लस रखा हमने। 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13 is 0.13 cube. This is 0.87 square. 0.87 into 0.87 is 0.87 square. Minus, let's keep this as it is, 0.87 into 0.13. ये as it is रहेगा. Then this is 0.13 into 0.13. This means that this is 0.13 square. Now देखिए, ये a cube plus b cube बन रहा है. So that means we will use identity a cube plus b cube here. So what is a here? A is 0.87 and b is 0.13. So using the identity a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Let's solve it. So this a cube plus b cube, let's expand this using this formula. So a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, that means 0.87 plus 0.13, then a square, that is 0.87 square plus b square, that is 0.13 square minus ab, that is 0.87 into 0.13, right? Divided by the denominator is as it is. We'll copy the denominator, that is 0.87 square minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 square. Now look at this. If you see, this and this are same. This part of the numerator and the denominator are same. And this bracket and this bracket are in multiplication. We don't have any sign here. That means this is in multiplication. So therefore we can cancel this. 0.87 square minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 square. This is same. This and this are same. Therefore we can cancel it. This gets cancelled. So what are we left with? We are left with 0.87 plus 0.13. So if you add this, what do we get? 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 here, 8, 9, 10. 1 here, so 1.00. The answer is 1. This is the answer. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.